Alright, well, I got about 15 bowl blanks that I want to get through pretty soon. Not including these little ones. I think I might make boxes or something out of these. Anyway, gotta get going. Let's see how many we can do. So what I plan on doing is just putting these in the chuck, turning most of the outside and the inside all at once, and then I will come back and put them in the coal jaws to finish the bottom, depending on the size. These ones are too big for the coal jaws, so I'm just gonna come back and sand the bottoms flat. Well, that's the first coat on. Once the first coat is dry, I'm going to come back and rub it down with some steel wool. Then just repeat that process a couple more times. I'll probably put 3 or 4 coats on. I think my favorite one is this one. It's got that nice subtle OG shape, plus the grain of the cherry is super nice. Yeah, so these ones are cherry. These ones are what I think are magnolia. I got a bunch of this wood at the beginning of last year, and this is one piece of mystery wood over here. Not sure what that is, but I did glue on a piece of ash on the bottom because I went through the bottom of it. Yeah, so these will be for sale at Columbia Open Studios 2019, which is coming up in just about 3 weeks. I've got a few more small blanks on the wall over there that I'm going to tackle. I haven't decided what I'm going to do with them yet. Anyway, if you made it this far, thanks a lot for watching. I swear this is the last big batch of bowls for a while. I'm going to start on a few more projects, not bowls. Please come back soon to Cammy's Garage.